So Díomh gach duine, hi everybody, Táimid lehanach chuig a chucht inniu. We're on page 58 agus táimid ag caint mar lum lat leis le ling live low. Alright, so there are ways of saying with me, with you, with him, with her, with us, with ye plural, and with them. Okay, so it's almost like saying le misha. So it's not le misha, I like with me. It's with me is what it means. With me, le misha, le me, which is lum, le tu, which is lat, le she, which is lesh, le she, which is lehi, le shin, which is lin, le shiv, which is live, and le sheed, which is low. All right. So what we're looking at is ways of saying. So bavalum, I would like it with me. It would be nice with me to go to the Kjolquarm. So Dolgadi and Kjolquarm, Bavalat, Dolgadi and Kjolquarm. You would like to go to the Kjolquarm. Bavalesh, he would like to go to the Kjolquarm. Lay, she would like to go. Lin, we would like to go. Live, ye would like to go. And low is they would like to go. So this is Creaicnig na habertí. Okay, so isma lum dolgadi an tra. So that means I would like to go to it would be nice with me to go to the beach. And the question is then, and it's looking at two, how would you say, would you like to go to the beach? So an ma lat dolgadi an tra. Would you like to go to the beach? This one is she. Isma lesh dolgadi an tra. She doesn't like to go to the beach, so ni ma. You can do that yourselves. And then we like to go. Isma dolgadi beach. Ye like to go. An ma. And this is a question. Would ye like to go to the beach? An ma. And it's shiv you're looking for. You're looking for the shiv of it. Dolgadi an tra. And an ma sheed. What's the sheed of it? So the sheed is low. So anma lo dolgadi, isma lo dolgadi an tra. Okay, so that's just a little bit of practice with lum lat leshle. Okay, and here creaicnig na habertí. So tá gardo in éach lum. So it's me. He's accompanying me. He is with me. So in éach lum. So gardo in éach lum. Vi gardo. Sorry, vi gardo in éach lat and she and she and shin and shiv. Okay, and sheed. Off you go. You can do those into your copies. They're not too bad, not too complicated, but I might ask you questions on Friday about it. Okay, so that is your little thing as well with me. All right. Okay, slán.